Okay, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. We're just crushing it on Lotus Exige content. Exige, what a cool name. Exige is what I heard. I heard someone say, what's an Exige? What is that, Exige? That being said, you can do this for your ELISE or your Exige. So currently when you open up the car, I hope the alarm doesn't go off. When you open up the car, I have an incandescent bulb, yellow, and this is the only light that lights up the interior. So if you lose your car key, if you lose your phone, you got one at night. It's not bright enough. There is no roof, because there's no roof light, so there's not like a plug-in or anything. There's just no, it's just a Targa. So that being said, I'm gonna show you guys how to install a blue one, a nice bright white, I guess not blue, but white LED. So there's gonna be 4 little clips on it. I've removed it before. I usually like to come from this side towards me and pull it, and it'll pop out and click, just like that, and then there you go. Now it's on, there it is. There's a door open, just an on all the time, and then never on. So there's 3 clicks on here, and then behind here I think is where we're gonna do a lefty-loosey on this. If you do break the clips on there, you can order new clips, by the way, or I mean a new housing. So to remove the holder of the bulb, it's just lefty-loosey, and then you'll have an incandescent bulb there, and we're gonna place that with an LED that's available on my website. Okay, so here it is, right here. You should be able to do it with your fingers, just like that. Sometimes they're pinched in there. And then here's an LED. These are polarity, so you're gonna have to put it in, back in. It should fit tight like that. It's a nice tight fit. And then if it doesn't turn on, you just need to flip the bulb the other way around. I gotta be honest with you guys, this video is so short, I could probably turn it into a YouTube short. Not a full feature-length film, but then you wanna get to see me as much, so hey. Okay, so I put it back in. I turned it, twisted it, and then now we're gonna be able to go single click. There you go. Oh, that is so much more modern. Okay, and then, so we're gonna put it back in, but you can also see the lights are so much better because they're blue up there. Now I have blue in here. Much more modern. The dash is kind of orangey, which I'm okay with. I think it's kind of cool at night, actually. Gives it a vibe. And then the aftermarket's just crazy. I need to get a new stereo. We'll turn the lights off. Let's turn the lights off. And one more click. Okay, and now we'll be able to slide that back in, and you guys are done. If you want this, you can swing by my website. Even if you're not a car modification person, you're just all OEM, you should still switch it. It is significantly more aesthetic. It is ugly, so you should do it. Swing by my website. I have a direct fit. It'll fit right in there. It's really cheap. It's a cheap thing. I'll mail it right to you. My shipping's like 2 to 3 days, and you'll have it. Amazing. You got to do it. That's so good. So super simple. This has been here. I got all these YouTube ideas I've been working on in my cool garage over here. I've done a lot. I mean, I did this 2 years ago and I had this whole thing filled out. I've done a lot. So this has been right here, Exige Dome, for so long. So look at this. Buy GTR. We're gonna be getting a different car. I kind of still want a GTR though. So make sure to like, subscribe, swing my website to grab one of these. I hope you find this helpful. I love just looking at this car. So see you guys on the next video.